Welcome to our exploration of industrial applications of microbiology. Microbiology, the study of microscopic organisms, has revolutionized many industries by providing innovative solutions and improving processes. From food production to pharmaceuticals, microbes play a crucial role in shaping modern industry. In this video, we'll journey through the fascinating world of industrial microbiology, uncovering how tiny organisms drive big changes. Let's start by understanding what industrial microbiology is and why it matters so much in today's world. Microorganisms are living organisms that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. They include bacteria, fungi, viruses, and algae. In industrial settings, these tiny life forms are harnessed for their unique abilities to transform raw materials, produce valuable products, and even clean up waste. Understanding the diversity and capabilities of microorganisms is the foundation for their successful application in industry. Let's take a closer look at the main types of microorganisms used in industrial processes. Bacteria are among the most commonly used microorganisms in industry. Their rapid growth and metabolic diversity make them ideal for a wide range of applications. For example, certain bacteria are used to produce antibiotics, enzymes, and amino acids. Others help in waste treatment and bioremediation. By selecting and engineering specific bacterial strains, industries can optimize production processes and create products more efficiently. Next, we'll see how fungi also play a vital role in industrial microbiology. Fungi, including yeasts and molds, are essential players in many industrial processes. Yeasts are famous for their role in baking and brewing, where they ferment sugars to produce bread and alcoholic beverages. Molds, on the other hand, are used to produce antibiotics like penicillin and various enzymes. The ability of fungi to break down complex materials makes them valuable for producing biofuels and other bioproducts. Let's move on to another group, algae. Algae are simple plant-like organisms that can convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. In industry, algae are cultivated to produce biofuels, nutritional supplements, and even cosmetics. Their rapid growth and ability to thrive in various environments make them a promising resource for sustainable production. Algae can also capture carbon dioxide, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Now, let's see how these microorganisms are applied in the food industry. Microorganisms are at the heart of many food production processes. Fermentation, for example, relies on bacteria and yeast to transform raw ingredients into products like cheese, yogurt, bread, and beer. These processes not only enhance flavor and texture, but also improve food safety and shelf life. The food industry continues to innovate by using microbes to develop new products and healthier alternatives. Next, we'll explore the role of microbes in the beverage industry. The beverage industry heavily depends on microbiology, especially in the production of beer, wine, and other fermented drinks. Yeasts are the main microorganisms responsible for converting sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Careful selection and management of yeast strains allow producers to create beverages with unique flavors and characteristics. Microbial quality control is also essential to ensure product consistency and safety. Let's move on to the dairy industry. The dairy industry, bacteria and fungi are used to produce a variety of products, including cheese, yogurt, and sour cream. Specific bacterial cultures are added to milk to initiate fermentation, resulting in unique textures and flavors. The use of probiotics beneficial bacteria is also growing, offering health benefits to consumers. Microbiology ensures the safety and quality of dairy products through rigorous testing and process control. Next, let's see how microbes are used in the pharmaceutical industry. Microorganisms are indispensable in the pharmaceutical industry. They are used to produce antibiotics, vaccines, vitamins, and enzymes. For example, the discovery of penicillin from mold revolutionized medicine. Today, genetically engineered bacteria and fungi are used to manufacture insulin, growth hormones, and other therapeutic proteins. Microbial fermentation allows for large-scale, cost-effective production of these vital medicines. Next, we'll look at enzyme production. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions. Microorganisms are the primary source of industrial enzymes, which are used in everything from detergents to food processing. By optimizing microbial strains, industries can produce enzymes with specific properties for various applications. Enzyme technology has made processes more efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. Now, let's explore the role of microbes in agriculture. Microbiology has transformed agriculture by improving crop yields and soil health. Beneficial bacteria and fungi are used as biofertilizers and biopesticides, reducing the need for chemical inputs. These microbes help plants absorb nutrients, protect against diseases, and promote growth. Sustainable agriculture increasingly relies on microbial solutions to meet global food demands while minimizing environmental impact. Next, we'll discuss bioremediation. Bioremediation uses microorganisms to clean up contaminated environments, such as oil spills or polluted soils. Certain bacteria and fungi can break down hazardous substances into harmless products. This eco-friendly approach is used in waste management, environmental restoration, and even water treatment. Bioremediation demonstrates the power of microbiology to solve environmental challenges. Let's move on to biofuel production. Microorganisms are at the forefront of biofuel production. Algae, bacteria, and yeast can convert organic materials into fuels like ethanol, biodiesel, and biogas. These renewable fuels offer a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Advances in microbial engineering are making biofuel production more efficient and economically viable. Next, we'll look at the role of microbes in waste treatment. Waste treatment plants rely on microorganisms to break down organic matter in sewage and industrial waste. Bacteria and fungi digest pollutants, converting them into harmless substances. This biological treatment is more sustainable and cost-effective than chemical methods. Microbial processes are also used to recover valuable resources from waste streams. Now, let's see how microbes are used in the textile industry. The textile industry uses enzymes produced by microorganisms to process fibers, remove stains, and improve fabric quality. Enzyme-based treatments are more environmentally friendly than traditional chemical methods. Microbial processes also help in dye removal and wastewater treatment, reducing pollution. The adoption of microbiology in textiles is making the industry cleaner and more sustainable. Next, we'll explore the paper and pulp industry. Microbial enzymes are used in the paper and pulp industry to break down wood fibers, bleach paper, and reduce the need for harsh chemicals. These enzymes improve paper quality and lower production costs. Microbial treatments also help manage waste and reduce environmental impact. The use of microbiology in paper production is a key step toward greener manufacturing. Let's move on to mining and metallurgy. Microorganisms are used in bioleaching, a process that extracts metals from ores using bacteria. This method is more environmentally friendly than traditional mining techniques, as it reduces the need for toxic chemicals. Bioleaching is used to recover metals like copper, gold, and uranium. Microbial processes are also applied in wastewater treatment and pollution control in mining operations. Next, we'll discuss the cosmetics industry. Microbiology plays a growing role in the cosmetics industry. Microbes are used to produce bioactive ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid and antioxidants, for skincare products. Probiotics are also being incorporated into cosmetics to promote healthy skin. Microbial fermentation allows for the development of natural, sustainable ingredients that appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Now, let's see how microbiology impacts the cleaning industry. Enzymes produced by microorganisms are widely used in cleaning products and detergents. These enzymes break down stains in soils, making cleaning more effective at lower temperatures. Microbial enzymes are biodegradable and reduce the need for harsh chemicals, making cleaning products safer for the environment. The cleaning industry continues to innovate with new enzyme formulations. Next, we'll look at the leather industry. Microbial enzymes are used in the leather industry for processes like dehairing, batting, and softening hides. These enzyme-based methods are more sustainable and less polluting than traditional chemical treatments. Microbiology helps improve leather quality and reduce environmental impact. The adoption of microbial processes is transforming the leather industry toward greener practices. Now, let's explore the plastics industry. Microorganisms are used to produce bioplastics, which are biodegradable alternatives to conventional plastics. Bacteria can synthesize polymers like polyhydroxyalkanoates, PHAs, from renewable resources. Bioplastics reduce plastic pollution and reliance on fossil fuels. Advances in microbial engineering are making bioplastic production more efficient and scalable. Next, we'll discuss the role of microbiology in water treatment. Microorganisms are essential in water treatment plants, where they break down organic pollutants and purify water. Biological treatment processes are more sustainable and cost-effective than chemical methods. Microbial communities are carefully managed to optimize water quality and safety. Microbiology continues to drive innovation in water purification technologies. Let's move on to the energy sector. Microorganisms are used to generate energy through processes like anaerobic digestion, which produces biogas from organic waste. Microbial fuel cells are being developed to convert chemical energy directly into electricity. These technologies offer renewable, low-carbon energy solutions. Microbiology is helping to create a more sustainable energy future. Next, we'll look at the role of microbes in environmental monitoring. Microorganisms are used as bioindicators to monitor environmental health. Certain bacteria and algae can signal the presence of pollutants or changes in ecosystem conditions. Microbial sensors are being developed for real-time monitoring of air, water, and soil quality. This helps industries and governments respond quickly to environmental threats. Now, let's discuss the role of microbiology in biotechnology research. Microbiology is at the core of biotechnology research, driving innovations in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Genetic engineering of microbes allows for the production of new drugs, improved crops, and novel materials. Research labs around the world are exploring the potential of microorganisms to solve complex challenges. The future of industrial microbiology is full of exciting possibilities. Next, we'll look at the use of microbes in the construction industry. Microorganisms are being used in the construction industry to develop self-healing concrete and eco-friendly building materials. Certain bacteria can precipitate minerals, repairing cracks in concrete and extending the lifespan of structures. Microbial processes also help in soil stabilization and waste recycling in construction projects. Microbiology is paving the way for more sustainable and resilient infrastructure. Let's move on to the electronics industry. Microbial processes are being explored for use in electronics manufacturing, such as the recovery of precious metals from electronic waste. Bacteria can help extract gold, silver, and other valuable materials in an environmentally friendly way. Microbial biosensors are also being developed for quality control and environmental monitoring in electronics production. Now, let's see how microbiology is used in the automotive industry. Automotive industry is adopting microbiology for bio-based fuels, lubricants, and materials. Microbial fermentation produces bioethanol and biodiesel, which are used as alternative fuels. Bioplastics and natural fibers made by microbes are being incorporated into car interiors and components. These innovations help reduce the industry's environmental footprint. Next, we'll explore the role of microbes in space exploration. Microorganisms are being studied for their potential to support life in space. They can recycle waste, produce food, and generate oxygen in closed environments like space stations. Microbes may also help extract resources from extraterrestrial soils. Research in space microbiology is opening new possibilities for long-term space missions and colonization. Now, let's look at the use of microbes in the fragrance industry. Microorganisms are used to produce natural flavors and fragrances through fermentation. These bio-based ingredients are preferred over synthetic chemicals for their safety and sustainability. Microbial processes allow for the creation of unique aromas and tastes that enhance food and cosmetic products. The fragrance industry is embracing microbiology for greener, more innovative solutions. Next, we'll discuss the role of microbes in animal feed production. Microorganisms are used to produce high-protein animal feed and supplements. Fermentation processes convert agricultural byproducts into nutritious feed ingredients. Probiotics are also added to animal diets to improve gut health and growth. Microbiology is helping to make animal agriculture more efficient and sustainable. Now, let's see how microbes are used in aquaculture. Aquaculture, beneficial microbes are used to maintain water quality, prevent disease, and enhance the growth of fish and shellfish. Probiotics and biofloc technology are improving the sustainability and productivity of fish farms. Microbiology is essential for the health and success of modern aquaculture operations. Next, we'll explore the use of microbes in the wine industry. Yeasts and bacteria are key players in winemaking, driving fermentation and influencing the flavor, aroma, and quality of wine. Careful management of microbial cultures allows winemakers to create distinctive wines with unique characteristics. Microbiology also helps prevent spoilage and ensure product consistency. The wine industry continues to innovate with new microbial techniques. Now, let's look at the use of microbes in brewing non-alcoholic beverages. Microorganisms are used to produce non-alcoholic beverages like kombucha, kefir, and probiotic drinks. These products are gaining popularity for their health benefits and unique flavors. Microbial fermentation enhances the nutritional value and shelf life of these beverages. The industry is expanding with new products and innovative microbial strains. Next, we'll discuss the use of microbes in the baking industry. Yeasts are essential in the baking industry, where they ferment dough to produce bread and other baked goods. This process gives bread its texture, flavor, and aroma. Advances in microbiology are leading to new types of yeast and improved baking techniques. Microbial enzymes are also used to enhance dough properties and extend shelf life. Now, let's explore the use of microbes in the pharmaceutical industry for vaccine production. Microorganisms are used to produce vaccines that protect against infectious diseases. Bacteria and viruses are cultured and inactivated or attenuated to create safe, effective vaccines. Advances in genetic engineering are enabling the development of new vaccine types, including mRNA and recombinant vaccines. Microbiology ensures the safety, efficacy, and scalability of vaccine production. Next, we'll look at the use of microbes in the production of vitamins. Microorganisms are used to produce essential vitamins like B12, riboflavin, and vitamin C. Fermentation processes allow for large-scale, cost-effective production of these nutrients. Microbial vitamin production supports the food, pharmaceutical, and supplement industries. Advances in metabolic engineering are improving yields and reducing costs. Now, let's discuss the use of microbes in the production of amino acids. Bacteria are used to produce amino acids, which are essential building blocks for proteins. Industrial fermentation processes yield amino acids like glutamic acid, lysine, and methionine for use in food, feed, and pharmaceuticals. Microbial production is more sustainable and efficient than chemical synthesis. Advances in strain engineering are further enhancing productivity. Next, we'll look at the use of microbes in the production of organic acid. Microorganisms are used to produce organic acids like citric acid, lactic acid, and acetic acid. These acids are important in food preservation, pharmaceuticals, and industrial processes. Microbial fermentation offers a renewable, cost-effective way to produce organic acids at scale. The industry continues to innovate with new strains and processes. Now, let's discuss the use of microbes in the production of solvents. Bacteria and fungi are used to produce solvents like acetone, butanol, and ethanol. These solvents are used in chemical manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and biofuels. Microbial fermentation provides a renewable alternative to petrochemical processes. Advances in metabolic engineering are making solvent production more efficient and sustainable. Next, we'll look at the use of microbes in the production of polymers. Microorganisms are used to produce biopolymers, such as xanthan gum and pullulan, which are used in food, pharmaceuticals, and industrial applications. These biopolymers offer unique properties and are biodegradable, making them attractive alternatives to synthetic polymers. Microbial production is scalable and sustainable, supporting the shift toward greener materials. Now, let's discuss the use of microbes in the production of pigment. Microorganisms are used to produce natural pigments and colorants for food, cosmetics, and textiles. These bio-based pigments are safer and more sustainable than synthetic dyes. Microbial pigment production allows for a wide range of colors and improved product safety. The industry is exploring new strains and processes for innovative color solutions. Next, we'll look at the use of microbes in the production of sweeteners. Microorganisms are used to produce natural sweeteners like stevia and erythritol through fermentation. These sweeteners are used in food and beverages as healthier alternatives to sugar. Microbial production ensures consistent quality and supply. Advances in strain development are expanding the range of available sweeteners. Now, let's discuss the use of microbes in the production of bioactive compounds. Microorganisms are used to produce bioactive compounds with health benefits, such as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and immunomodulators. These compounds are used in pharmaceuticals, supplements, and functional foods. Microbial fermentation allows for the efficient and scalable production of bioactive ingredients. The industry is investing in research to discover new compounds and applications. Finally, let's summarize the impact of industrial microbiology. Industrial microbiology is transforming industries across the globe, offering sustainable, efficient, and innovative solutions. From food and pharmaceuticals to energy and environmental management, microorganisms are driving progress and addressing some of the world's biggest challenges. As research advances, the potential applications of microbiology will only continue to grow. Embracing microbial technology is key to building a healthier, greener, and more prosperous future for all.